Hello friends, welcome to our channel Career Alerts. Friends, this video especially for the candidates who have finished their engineering in mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. Friends, today in this video I am covering from the major very reputed organizations like Bharat Electronics and some vacancies from Indigo and some openings from Baker Hughes and also from the very reputed organization that is John Deere and also from the Baxter company and finally Volvo Group Trucks Technology and finally it's from General Electric company. Okay friends, so today I will explain you all the notifications clearly and what is the main eligibility criteria to apply those notifications. Okay, so if you are the first time visiting our channel, so do consider subscribe our channel because we regularly update latest job notifications regularly. Okay friends, so let's get started. If you like this video, then please like our video. Okay, so first notification is from the Bharat Electronics. Friends, here so the Bharat Electronics notified for some openings for the project engineers and also in the optics department and as well and also trainee engineers also. Okay, so here the total posts are under the electronics, so 10 vacancies, mechanical 6 vacancies and computer science 2 vacancies. Total 18 posts are available for the project engineer post. Okay friends, here the reservation also general 9, OBC 5, EWS 2 and SC category 3 posts and ST category 1 post. Here also you can see, so electro optics department and or photonics department, there are 2 posts under this category. Okay friends, so you see trainee engineers, so electronics, the candidates who have finished their electronics in BTech, so there are 17 posts for them and mechanical engineers 7 posts, computer science 5 posts, electricals 2 posts and mechatronics 2 posts. Total 33 posts are here under the trainee engineers category. So here you can see also the category wise post classification. Okay friends, so this is all about the post details. So we can see that, so they notified that this is a contract or temporary job and the job location is Bangalore only. So the salary package for the project engineers, so they will give you 35,000 to 50,000. Okay friends, so for the trainee engineer post, so the salary is around 25,000 to 31,000 friends. So initially, so they select you for the 1 year for their project and so there is more chances to continue their project to up to 3 years. Okay friends, so what are the education qualifications required for these various posts? So for the project engineer, so BE, BTech, BSc engineering degree in electronic communication, ECE, telecommunication, mechanical, computer science like this. For the post of project engineer 1 optics, so the qualification should be MSc electro optics or photonics. For the trainee engineers, so BE, BTech or so ECE, mechanical, computer science like this. Friends, the major difference between these two posts for the project engineer and for the trainee engineer is, so for the project engineer post, the candidate should have minimum 2 years relevant experience. So for the post of trainee engineers, they should have minimum 6 months experience. Okay, so the age limit is like this: 28 years for the project engineer and 25 years for the trainee engineers. So the relaxation is admissible as per the Government of India norms. Okay, the selection process is purely on the merit basis, so the marks allot through merit basis and experience based and also the interview. Okay friends, the application fees is 500 for project engineers and 200 for trainee engineers. So candidates belonging to SC, ST or PWD category, so they are exempted completely from the paying fee. Okay, the last date for the online application is 17 February 2021. Okay, the candidates who are desirous for applying the above post indicated in the advertisement, so they can apply online by clicking the link. So this link I will provide in the description also. You can click and apply for this notification. Okay, and also I will give the official website website link also in the description. So for there any assistance, you can contact to these help desk numbers, and also for their assistance you can mail them also to this email address. So let us go to another notification, that is, so this notification is from the Indigo. Actually, they are recruiting the trainees So the job description is like this. So aircraft routing, fleet management, so maintenance planning with minimal grounding time of aircraft. So the job description is like this. So here as I mentioned here, and the eligibility criteria is only for the candidates who have finished their BTech in electrical engineering, electronics, mechanical or aeronautical BTech. So they are all eligible for to apply this post, friends, here. So they are also mentioned that this is exclusively for the freshers, and the graduate aggregate should be minimum 60% and above. So I will give the link in the description. You can click and apply for these posts. Okay, friends, let's go to another notification. This is from the Baker Hughes. So it is in the location of Coimbatore, that is in Tamil Nadu. So they are recruiting valve instrumentation mechanical design engineering. Here are some details. So company name Baker Hughes. So I will give the official website link in the description also. So this job is especially only for experienced candidates. Your job location should be in Coimbatore only. So the candidates who have finished their mechanical engineering, they can apply if they have experience. So as they mentioned in the notification. Okay, friends. So these are the so to be successful in this role, so you will, so they have mentioned some data here. So they have bachelor's engineering in a relevant accredited university or college. Having experience with pneumatic actuated control valves is advantage, and also they should have 2D AutoCAD and 3D CAD design experience. So and remaining details are like this. Okay, friends, I will give the link in the description. You can click and apply if you are interested to apply for these posts. Okay, let's go to another notification. So this notification is from the John Deere company. So they are hiring mechanical or electrical engineers. So the job location is in Pune, that which is in Maharashtra. The company, so what are the main skills, abilities and knowledge so they are asking is so like this. So background in engineering, mechanical, electrical, hydraulics, power systems. So these requirement is from the company, and the skill is they should be using computer aided design or engineering tools. Okay, friends. So knowledge of contract management and indirect materials and systems supply management strategies also they asked. Okay, the job segment is in these areas. So the company name John Deere, and your job location is in Pune. I will give the apply link in the description. So if you are interested to apply for this post, you can click and apply. Okay, next notification, it is from Baxter's. So Baxter International Company is hiring for mechanical engineers. Friends, this notification is also exclusively for the candidates who have experience in their relevant fields. I will give this official website link in the description, and the job location is only in Bangalore. So the candidates who have finished their BE or BTech in mechanical engineers, they can apply directly with some relevant experience. Okay, friends, and the job role is PRN engineers and mechanical disposables area. And the qualification they are asking is also bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or equivalent. So experience should be in regulated industry, preferably medical devices, and familiarity with ISO 13485. So like this. Okay, proficiency with MS Office and other office productivity tools. So they should have some proficiency and skills. So excellent English verbal and written communication skills also required. So solid computer skills, that means email, documentation and collaboration tools, that is WebEx, Teams, Microsoft products like this. Okay, friends. So these are all other requirements. So they are asking in their website. So I will give this link in the description. So if you are interested to apply, or if you are eligible, then you can click and apply. Friend, the next notification is from the Volvo Group Trucks Technology. So they are recruiting engineers. So pneumatics and electrical installation. So the required, they are requiring the education qualification BE, BTech or MTech or MS in mechanical engineering or relevant field. Okay, experience and skills or trainings are like this. So they should have minimum 4 to 5 years experience in automotive experience, preferably in truck technology, and so some hands-on experience, strong in engineering fundamentals. So these are all the things they are asking for this post. Okay, so the entity is Group Trucks Technology. So the job location is Bangalore, which is in Karnataka. So it is, they mentioned that it is in regular employment. So travel is also requirement. There is also a travel, occasional travel is also there in the job. So the last application date is 16th February. So I will give this link in the description. So if you are interested or if you are eligible, so then you can click and apply for this post. And the final notification so today is from the General Electric company. Friends, this is a very reputed company, and also it is actually a very old company, so which is situated based in New York City. Okay, so now, so their India Limited, so their India company, Automobile G India, so they're recruiting a freshers drive, so which they are conducting in Pune. All freshers who have finished their diploma in 2020, so they are eligible to attend this drive. Okay, in the academic year 2019-20. So they will immediately recruit you in the job. Qualifications are diploma in mechanical, production or automobile, and also first class in SSC, diploma without any backlog also required. Okay friends, the selection process is through online test, and after that they will conduct an interview. So venue details are here, so you can observe this. It is the location, so which is in Maharashtra. Okay friends, so this drive is not for the students who have completed BE. That means the candidates should not finish their BE. Only diploma candidates are eligible. Okay friends, so this drive is only for the diploma pass outs in the year of 2020. So if you are interested to apply these posts or to attend the interview, so I will here the address of the location, so I will mention in the description also. So you can go there and attend to the interview. I will give this link in the description also. So thank you for watching Career Alerts. I hope you understand my language. Please excuse me for any grammatical mistakes. Jai Hind.